Today's tutorial is going to be about a shaped marquee. Now let's see how to make it. First, we make a loose coil. For this shaped marquee, I have used two colors of quilling strips. Glue them together beforehand, let it dry well. Then you make the loose coil. Remove the coil from the quilling needle. Place it onto your circle sizer. Choose a very big sizer so that you have a good big shape. Now you take a very tiny amount of glue with a toothpick or a skewer, because if you use a lot of glue, your shape will get stuck together and will not give a good look. Now pinch on the opposite ends to make an eye shape. This is a marquee. Now to make our shaped marquee, we have to bend your shaped marquee on the opposite direction. Your left hand is bent towards the left and right hand you bend towards your right, so that you form a S shape. Give a nice squeeze so that the shape stays together. There you go. We have the S-shaped marquee. Thanks for watching. Hope you understood how to make a S-shaped marquee. Please Subscribe to my channel to see further videos on beginners quilling. Thank you.